Hi guys, welcome back to Kim's class. Today is the last lesson, lesson 5, in a series about family. Today's lesson is going to focus on writing. Well, let's go ahead and look at the objectives. The first objective says, I can write complete sentences about my family members. The next objective says, I know the simple present of be and I can use it in my writing. What we're going to do today is practice everything that we've learned in those first 4 lessons and try to put it on paper in our writing. Let's go ahead and look at what type of writing we're going to be doing today. So on your screen, you see 6 pictures. You also see the verbs I'd like you to use. Verbs like drinking, reading, cooking, sleeping, walking, and playing. Remember, those verbs are in the present continuous and they're talking about actions that are happening right now. We also have some family words. Words like grandparents, baby brother, mother and sister, grandfather, father, and parents. You are going to write a complete sentence using either is or are and the correct verb and family word. Let's go ahead and look at the first one and I'll give you an example. The first picture is of a mother and a sister. So I am going to write the sentence, my mother and sister are cooking. You're going to write the same sentences using different verbs and different family members for the rest of these examples. Go ahead and write your sentences now, and then when you're finished, you can unpause the video and look for the correct answers. Go ahead and pause the video to write your sentences now. Okay, class, let's go ahead and see how to write these sentences correctly. The first one was the example I gave you, and the answer is, my mother and sister are cooking. Let's look at number 2. That might have been hard to find what family member it was, but it's father. So number 2 says, my father is playing guitar. Number 3, my baby brother is sleeping. Number 4, my grandparents are reading. Number 5, my parents are walking. Number 6, my grandfather is drinking. So that was practice writing 6 sentences. You could practice writing more on your own using your own family members. Maybe you could get out a picture and write about what your family members are doing right now. The more practice, the better we get. Let's go ahead and look at the objectives for today to see how we did. That first objective says, I can write complete sentences about my family members. we practiced that. And the last objective says, I know the simple present of be, like is and are, and I can use it in my writing. If you'd like more practice with that, you can again practice writing those sentences or making up some of your own. So that concludes today's lesson. But before you go, I'd like you to do 4 things for me. Is that all right? The first thing I'd like you to do is press the like button on this video. The second thing I would like you to do is share it. If you have friends or family that would like these videos, you can share it with them. The next thing I'd like you to do is to write a comment in the comment section below. And one more thing. If you are enjoying these videos, please hit subscribe. Then every time I post a new video, you will know. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me in Kim's class. And thank you for letting me come on this journey with you to learn English. Goodbye for now. I'll see you soon.